Now, Kenya plans to tap the multi-billion-dollar animation industry by training young innovators. The government will further partner with learning institutions and content creators to create African-themed content. Kenyan entertainment startup Ada Animation says animation will further help create employment for thousands of young people in the country.
Globally, the animation industry is said to be worth $280 billion and expected to reach $350 billion by 2025. In Kenya, however, the sector remains untapped, relying on foreign-developed content. Local entertainment startup Ada Animation plans to change this narrative by telling the African story through animation content.
The whole idea is to build our animation out of African stories and African characters. That's why we're taking the Maasai culture. Anywhere in the world, if you go to Holland, Germany, if you say Maasai, everybody knows. So that's why the movie is going to be big, right?
Remember that, in the past we used to sit around our grandmothers, and they used to tell us stories. But again, given that the terrain has changed, people have moved to towns, and how do we tell stories? So the only way to capture the interest and change the perception is through animating our stories.
The farm, which was started in 2020, plans to empower young African creatives through skills tailor-made for the African market needs. The farm wants to ensure that Africans are well represented in animation content and improve the standards of African animation.
We cannot, compromise on quality, and that's why we're bringing Hollywood guys to help train us, to also give us some of the skills we need, and we're building these boot camps, and we're launching the biggest project out of Africa, The Last Live On.
As it is, we Africans are content consumers, not creators, and Ada Animation is championing the change of that. We want to be players. Who said Africans can't show African cartoons?
The government says it will ensure the environment is conducive for content creators to exploit their talent.
Kenya is the heart of Africa. Our role as government is to provide an enabling environment by developing appropriate policies and regulations that ensure that the market is competitive, producers may make money, and consumers get value for the products and services they buy.
Our commitment is basically to see to it that we have a vibrant film industry in Kenya and that we can be able to attract more jobs of production being done on location here in Kenya.
The Ada Animation Bootcamp saw 33 creatives from 4 countries graduate and will be instrumental in the opening up of the animation industry. Betty Kiptum, Prime Edition.